everybody, Thaddeus and Tomorrow here. Hey. So, what are we doing today? Sage is opening a present.
So this is for all of you who have ever wanted to benefit from a health practice that's been done since time immemorial, that is completely free. And I want you right now to take off your shoes and socks, wherever you are, and go walk outside, barefoot on the ground, and you will be doing an ancient health practice that you can do right now, today, anywhere. This is amazing that we can do these things for free. I want you to take advantage of that. Go outside, pause the video, and then come back. Okay, so we're back. And that means that if you can't get outside because you're stuck inside, or maybe you're sleeping at night, maybe you're in front of a laptop and you could only get outside for a little bit, we're gonna show you when Tomorrow comes back. She just pulled a tick off the dog. It's that time of year here in Wisconsin where when I was a kid, there were no ticks anywhere. I was outside in the woods from dawn till dusk my entire childhood, and never once did I have a tick on me. Now they're everywhere. Anyway.
Yeah, just pull the tick off the puppy.
We're gonna show you
gross.
How to get the benefits of earthing or grounding, where you're getting electrons absorbed into your body, which is how you make energy in the body, and you release positive charge, which is inflammation building up in your body. We're gonna show you how you can do that when you're stuck in front of a computer, or perhaps watching television, or sleeping in your bed at night, which is a great time to be grounded.
Yeah, we love our grounding mat, our grounding sheet on our bed.
What do we have here?
All right, so this company is called Earth and Moon, which I love. And I love their name, I love their logo. And they sent us some...
So let's show what we got here. So we've got, this is how it's packaged, which is really actually kind of nice. It's not just thrown in the box. They've got, it says grounding, healing, connecting. And they've got their EM Earth Moon logo. So I like that. And there's the Earth Moon
tube. And literally, this is the first time we've opened this. Whoa.
So this says Universal Grounding Mat for Health here on the back.
Look at this. Oh, I just had it and now it went back in. Look at the little. So this is a grounding connector, but a tester, right?
Nope, that's to ground the mat into a plug.
Plug that in, and so it just plugs in. Here,
Mine got away from me here.
So it just plugs into the ground. You can see the plastic like dummies for the positive and negative charge, but this is the ground.
You don't want any electricity coming into this. You want to only use the grounding part of your electrical circuit so that you're using the ground from your electrical system. And so there'll be ports here that your grounding mat plugs into, and then it grounds through the grounding plug, assuming, of course, your electrical outlets are grounded. If they're not grounded, this is not going to work and may be harmful. Please remember that. There is a tester. I don't know that they sent a tester. I've got plenty of them. Actually, I have one sitting right behind me, and you plug it into the outlet to tell you if it's properly grounded.
I'm like looking behind you.
You have to do that. It's back here. It's just further back.
Hey, wait, babe, I think there might be one in here. Yeah, there's one in here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, they send one.
A tester?
Yep. So this is the tester that Thaddeus is talking about, you guys. Yep. So you push this into your... We should probably just go do that, huh? So people can see.
Pause.
All right. So here's the smaller... I would imagine this is the smaller tube. So this is the smaller of the two mats. And gosh, they get everything just so like concisely fit. I love their logo. So this is Earth Moon. So this is a smaller mat. Actually, I think this one is gonna go on the puppy's bed.
So I like the feel of these. There's a lot of earthing mats that are really rigid because of the rubber that they use. So there's rubber that's insulating and rubber that's conductive. And so you need to use a conductive material, but the feel of this is kind of like a polyurethane or a leather type feel, and it's very soft and flexible. A lot of the stuff that I've seen and purchased myself is not flexible. It's very stiff.
Right.
Feels plasticky, but these do not.
That one is going to go under my office desk because Thaddeus already has one. And then this, I was actually I wanted to see how soft it was to see if I could lay it on the puppy's his little den, his bed and his den. So I'm super excited about this. So I plugged it in. Go ahead.
So it comes with a manual, which is called 30-Day Grounding Challenge by Earth and Moon. And there's a journal inside of here.
Whoa.
And, right, so the benefits that you should be receiving are potentially better sleep, more energy, reduced inflammation, which can speed healing. So we know that sleeping bags can be made with some of these as the liner, and that the U.S. cycling team does use grounded sleeping bags when they're sleeping on the Tour de France to heal faster and to get more energy while they're sleeping. So these are actually used quite a bit in professional sports and elsewhere for lots of these benefits. And I think if you go outside right now and get grounded, get barefoot on the ground, you'll realize what the benefits are. And you'll want then to bring that experience indoors, because unfortunately we spend a lot of our time indoors nowadays as modern humans. So this mat, we're going to show you the setup, but it should have a little nub on it, which is the electrical connection for the grounding. And what you're going to do is they send you this cord, and so there's a piece that's going to just snap on here, and that is to allow the electrons from your grounded electrical system to flow into the mat and into your body. And it allows the positive inflammatory charge in your body to flow out into the mat and then into the grounded electrical system. So that means that if you stand on this, it's not going to work if you wear shoes. It's only going to work if you're barefoot, and it will have limited ability to do its job if you're wearing wool socks or cotton socks. It'll still work, but not as well as being barefoot. And it will not work at all if you're wearing shoes or nylon or polyester socks, because those are insulating.
It can be smart wool?
Nope.
I've had questions. Oh, wait, really?
Well, smart wool is made from polyester, so that's not going to work.
Okay.
Yep, it needs to be a natural material and not bamboo, because bamboo is typically formed into polyester, and then it's a plastic material afterwards.
Can I show everybody this? This is really helpful for those of us that are not like instruction inclined. These are really clear, concise instructions. It's not like when you buy something from IKEA. You're like, what the hell am I doing? It's just like a little front and a little back. There's 4 steps to it, you guys. And this is really, it's just really clear. I love
How to
this.
use it. Okay.
Yeah, how to use it.
So we're just going to show you how to test your outlet real quick with the tester that they send you, and we're going to get one of these plugged in under tomorrow's desk.
All right, you guys, so we're over by my desk. Here's Thaddeus, and
Okay,
we're
so-
going to, oh, go ahead.
Oh yeah, so we laid the mat out so you can see the mat on the ground, so we can stand on it barefoot. We've got our tester, and it tells you how to use this tester. So different lights light up, and depending on what lights up, you read right across here, and it will tell you whether you have an open ground, an open neutral, or if it's correct. So if it's correct, you should have the 2 orange lights lit up, but not the red light. So these 2 should light up, the red will not. That tells you you have a accurate ground and that it's safe to use it to plug in your earthing mat. So you definitely want to see 2 orange and no red and no other pattern on here.
See, with us explaining this, you guys, you don't even need the directions. All right.
So we're just going to plug it into the outlet that we're going to ground into.
Yay!
There we go. So that's what you want to see, and that's perfect. It means the outlet is grounded, and it means that it's not incorrectly wired.
All right.
So we're going to plug right in with the cord. So in this case, you can do one of 2 things. You can just use the banana plug, and you do not plug it into these 2.
Oh, yeah.
Only into the ground.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
And now it's ready. So what we're going to do, though, is we're going to use what they provided us, which is the little plug. So we're going to plug that in. All right, so here we've got the plug, and what we're going to do is we're just going to plug in the banana plug.
Why do you call it a banana plug?
That's what it's called.
Oh.
All right, so it's plugged in, and I'm going to then just plug this into the outlet this way.
Okay.
So I find the ground, just like a regular plug, and
Nice and neat. I like it.
there we go. So I just want to make sure.
Outlet I got over there.
We've got, there's a couple ways we could plug this in here.
No, not that. Yes, go that way. Nope. That's not going to
So
work.
we're going to do it this way.
Okay.
So there we go. So now it's plugged in, it's grounded, and we can stand on the mat with our bare feet. And we're grounding.
Oh, wait.
You can all be grounding too in your office. With all the technology around
I
you,
can't get
you'll
this.
be grounded.
There we go.
Right here, getting healthy from your own office. Or your television, living room, couch,
Television.
sofa,
What?
wherever you stand.
All right, hope you enjoyed our video.